How to set up email alerts in Tangerine App. Start by logging in with your client number and password. From the home screen, tap on More Options or open the menu, then go to Settings. Select Alerts and you'll see a list of different notifications you can turn on, like low balance warnings, large withdrawals, deposits, or purchases over a certain amount. Tap on the alerts you want to activate and choose email as your preferred notification method. Make sure the email address linked to your account is correct, since that's where Tangerine will send the updates. Once you save your choices, your alerts will stay working right away. From then on, you'll get an email whenever there's activity that matches your selected settings. This makes it easier to track your money, avoid surprises, and stay informed about what's happening in your account. Setting up alerts only takes a minute, but it gives you peace of mind knowing you'll always be notified of important changes. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.